I let it marinate overnight for 24 hours. And here's the finishing touch. I'm gonna throw it on the grill right now and let it sit for like, I don't know, 3 hours. Have a couple beers and then, you know, we'll see where it goes from there.
Girl, our mama's our best friends, and so are we. The whole town's rooting for us like the home team. Most likely to settle down, plant a few roots real deep and let them grow. But we can't stop this real